Hello, I am Harsharan. Here are some proverbs with their meanings. By understanding them, you can use them in your daily routine. Proverb: an idle brain is devil's workshop means if you have nothing to do, you are likely to do some mischief. Evil thoughts enter our brain easily when we remain idle. A stitch in time saves nine. It means solve the problem immediately before it becomes bigger and complex. If you wait too long, things will become worse and take more time to deal with them. Proverb: beauty lies in the eyes of beholder means what is beautiful for one person may not be beautiful for another. Everyone's view about beauty is subjective. There is no general standard of beauty. Better late than never. This proverb means it's better to finish something late than not to do it at all. It is used to say that you are glad that someone has done something, or to say that they should do something even though they are late. Proverb: well begun is half done means beginning a project well ensures that the project will not require much more effort to finish it. Moreover, the chances of success increase greatly. You can say that a good beginning is half of success. Proverb: an empty vessel makes much noise means people who talk more about their knowledge are often not as knowledgeable. It refers to a person who, despite having the least knowledge of something, will talk about it to the maximum. The grass is always greener on the other side. This proverb means people are never satisfied with their own situation. They always think that others have it better. It comes from the idea of looking at a neighbor's lawn and seeing it as greener than your own. But in reality, it may not be as good as it seems. Proverb: all's well that ends well means as long as the outcome is good, the problems in the way don't matter. This expression is used to say that a difficult situation has ended with a good result. Now, you must be able to use these proverbs in your daily English language. We'll meet again. Like and subscribe the video. Bye.